Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can re-execute your task inside Pabbly Connect in bulk. Now suppose guys, I have created a workflow named as demo workflow in my Pabbly Connect account. So this workflow was working perfectly fine, but after some time, I saw that when I checked the history of this workflow, I saw that some of the tasks in this workflow were getting failed or partially failed. So when I checked the task history, I found the issue and then I have corrected the issue as well. So there was some changes required in the workflow and I made those changes as well. Now after making all of these changes guys, the next thing what we have to do, I had to re-execute all of these failed tasks. So we have received the data, we have received the response, but these tasks were partially failed or fully failed. Now I want to re-execute this, and it is most likely possible that you may have a lots and lots of failed tasks over here. So here, one option you have is to open the task history and then one by one re-execute each and every task. But this manual process of re-executing each task will take a hell lot of time. But the other process you have is to re-execute all of these tasks in bulk. How you can do that? You just have to filter out the tasks which were failed in your history section. So after opening the history of that workflow, just go to filter and here you will see that there are the filter of task status, workflow name, date range and all. So enter the details, enter the filter parameters, and here guys, you just have to filter out all the tasks. So I have added two filters. First one is the workflow name. So I'm just want to get the response or the failed task of this workflow and the task with the status as partially failed. When we apply the filter, we get the failed task details or list of failed tasks of this particular workflow. After this, to re-execute all of these tasks in bulk, here you have an option on the left side of date to select all. Just click on it and it will select all the failed tasks in this list. And then just click on this re-execute button. Now, when we click on re-execute, all of these field tasks which we have selected are now automatically re-executed in bulk. But because we have added a filter of workflow name and task status, that's why we can't see the re-execution history over here. When you remove this filter, guys, you will see that in the same task history page, you will see the tasks which were earlier failed are now re-executed and then they are working perfectly fine. They have been successfully executed after making the changes in our automation workflow. So in this way, guys, you can basically re-execute your failed task or partially failed task in bulk in your Pabbly Connect account. You just have to go to the history section, filter out the tasks which you want to re-execute, select them and click on re-execute button. So this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.